If you're completely new to Amazon and wondering how to find your Amazon account number, you're not alone. Many beginners expect Amazon to provide a unique number like a bank account, but Amazon actually works a little differently. In this video, I'll walk you through everything step by step, so you clearly understand what to look for and where to find the closest equivalent. First, open the Amazon website or mobile app and sign in using your registered email address or mobile number along with your password. Once you're logged in, go to the Your Account section. You can find this by tapping on your profile icon or opening the menu and selecting Account Settings. This section contains all your personal and account-related information. Now, here's the key point you need to understand. Amazon does not assign a traditional account number to its users like banks or financial institutions do. Instead, your account is identified by your registered email address or phone number. This is what Amazon uses internally to recognize and manage your account. However, in certain situations, like contacting customer support or tracking purchases, you might need something similar to an account reference. For that, go to the Your Orders section. When you click on any order, you will see an order ID. This order ID acts as a unique reference number for that specific purchase and is often used when you need help or want to track an order. Additionally, if you use Amazon Pay for transactions, you can go to the Amazon Pay section and view your transaction history. Each transaction will have a unique transaction ID, which can also serve as a reference for payments and refunds. You can also check the Login and Security section under your account settings to confirm your registered email and phone number. These details are the most important identifiers for your Amazon account, so always keep them updated and secure. To summarize, Amazon does not provide a single account number. Instead, your account is identified using your email address or phone number, and for specific activities, you can use order IDs or transaction IDs as references. Understanding this will make it much easier for you to navigate Amazon, especially if you are just starting out. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and beginner-friendly tutorials like this.